Have you ever looked for a quick and easy way to create a pride rainbow gradient in Adobe Illustrator? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Hi there everyone, my name is Andrei Marius, and in this Envato Tuts Plus tutorial, I will show you how to easily create a pride rainbow gradient and how to use it to apply a nice gradient overlay in Adobe Illustrator. Before we begin, make sure to check out Envato Elements, where with a simple subscription you can get unlimited access to millions of creative digital assets such as music, graphics, photos, fonts, and many more. You can subscribe right now with the link in the description. Let's open Illustrator and start by going to Window in the menu bar to open the Gradient panel, the Layers panel, the Swatches panel, and the Transparency panel. Once you have these panels opened, you need to add the 6 colors that will make up the rainbow gradient. Just open the Flyer menu from the Swatches panel, go to Open Swatch Library, Default Swatches, and Print to open this new window, where you will find this group of 6 colors which will be perfect for your rainbow gradient. To easier work with the gradient, you can go again to the Flyer menu from the Swatches panel, and this time go to Open Swatch Library, Gradients, and Spectrums. From this new panel, select this spectrum gradient to easily add it inside the Swatches panel, and do the same for this color group. Once you're done, you can close these two panels and use the rectangle tool or any other shape tool from your toolbar to create a new shape that's filled with your linear gradient. If you focus on the gradient panel, you'll see that the gradient is made up of 6 colors, the perfect number that you need for your pride rainbow gradient. The only problem is that this is not the right combination of colors, so you need to modify the gradient. To replace these colors with the colors from this group, you can either click and drag a color on top of the gradient slider that you wish to edit, or you can select the gradient slider, hold down the Alt key, and click the desired color from the color group. Once you're done, you can drag this gradient thumbnail or the fill color from your toolbar and drop it inside the Swatches panel to easily save your rainbow gradient. Double click it if you wish to rename it, type in the name, click OK, and now that you have your gradient, you can use the gradient tool from your toolbar to adjust your gradient as you wish. You can change the direction with a simple click and drag, or by adjusting the gradient angle from the gradient panel. For the rainbow gradient overlay effect, we'll use this vector portrait, but feel free to use any other vector illustration that you have. If you wish to learn how to create this vector portrait, check out the link in the description. Make sure that you hide this layer and then use the rectangle tool from your toolbar to create a shape that covers your entire design. Fill this new shape with your rainbow gradient, change the blending mode to color, and then use the gradient tool to adjust the gradient somewhat like this. Now, obviously, you can always switch from a linear gradient to a radial gradient, and again use the gradient tool to adjust the gradient as you wish. So that's how you create a pride rainbow gradient in Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to hit that like button as it helps me know that I did a good job. Subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of any new tutorials. If you are looking to learn even more, you can always check out some of the many tutorials that Envato Tuts Plus has to offer. I'm Andrei Marius, and I'll see you in the next video.